everyone and welcome to my channel today. I've got a gorgeous recipe for you today. It's spiced lentil and mushroom hot pot, and it's a lovely vegetarian dinner recipe. It's what you call a hearty meal and hopefully one that all the family are going to like as well. It's also low in fat, low in calories, and it's full of fibre as well. So there's your shopping list there to write everything down, but I'm just going to talk you through everything you need. You'll need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 medium onion sliced, 300 grams of chestnut mushrooms sliced, 2 garlic cloves crushed, 1 carrot diced, 1½ teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 2 400-gram cans of green lentils drained and rinsed, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, a sprig of thyme with the leaves removed, 1 medium sweet potato peeled and very thinly sliced, and 1 large potato or 3 or 4 smaller potatoes very thinly sliced. Start by heating the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 180 degrees Celsius if you have a fan oven or gas mark 6. In a medium saucepan, over a medium to low heat, add half the olive oil and then add the onions and fry for about 3 minutes. Then add the mushrooms and the carrots and mix them all together. Stir them together and cook for another 3 minutes. Now you want to turn the heat up a little bit, add the ground cumin, garlic and smoked paprika. Mix them together and cook for about a minute. Now remove the pan from the heat, add all the lentils, the soy sauce, the balsamic vinegar, and 100 millilitres of water. Stir them all together and then season with some pepper and some salt. Add all the mixture to a casserole dish and spread it evenly throughout the dish. Now rinse that saucepan out and then put it back on the hob. Add a kettle full of boiled water, bring it back to the boil over a high heat and then add the potato slices, and you want to cook those for about 3 minutes and then drain them. So now we're going to arrange the potatoes on top of the lentil mixture. I like to try and alternate between the sweet potato and the regular potato, but it really doesn't matter. Just layer them up so the whole of the mixture is covered. Now with the remaining oil, brush the top of the potato so they're all covered. Now we're going to roast that in the oven for about 25 minutes until all the potatoes are golden brown on top. And when you're ready to serve, scatter over the thyme leaves. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more vegetarian recipes.